Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can turn off app tracking in the Nokia C31. So at the start open the settings, then look for the apps. On the apps, and tap on the CL apps. Now look for the app that you want to turn off the tracking, in my case it will be Google Chrome, and choose permissions. How you can see, Google Chrome have a location permission on my phone, so if you want to turn off the localization tracking, tap on it, select don't allow, and configure by don't allow anyway. And that's it, Google Chrome or any other app cannot track you anymore. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and remember to visit our site. Goodbye!